Oh God, it's bird night. Okay, it hits me.
Jake, get the bird, Jake. Bird, Jake.
Where's it at, bud?
Get the bird. Jake, get the bird.
Oh my God!
There he goes.
The fuck out!
He's gonna get the fucking bird, Jake. Jake, get the bird. Where's the bird? Get him! Come on, Jake!
Jake, get the bird.
Get him, Jake! Get him, Jake! Get him, Jake!
Come on.
Light this motherfucker on fire! What is it
Where the
at,
fuck
dude?
is he? He's about to sink somewhere. Oh, little bird.
Come here, birdie.
Don't light him on fire.
Why not?
Catch
Touch
him.
that motherfucker. That's my fish tank, dude. Won't go out.
He's not in there.
Let him out. Let him out.
What, through the screen?
Yeah, through your glass. David Blaine.
Dude, he's petrified.
Dude, get him.
Come here, little bird.
Get him out of here. Where's the axe? I'll fucking make a
How the fuck
flamethrower.
did a bird get in here?
Did he eat my fish?
I think through Jake's door.
Did he eat? Is Petey still in the container?
Jake.
Petey.
Jake, why'd you let a fucking bird in here? Huh?
That's what he was barking at, I think.
Oh, yeah, he was barking. I heard him. Dude, he's probably hurt. You gotta fucking move this shit out of the way.
He's just gonna fly away.
Serago the bird hunter.
He's a feisty one. He's a feisty one. Come on. Get in the fucking container. Come on.
This is wild. I can't believe this should happen during the middle of my homework. Every time I get a groove,
Dude, that was so funny though. I look
Never
at
peace and quiet.
Dude, I look at Coffee. I said, "Yo, did he say bird?" I said, "Yeah, I think he said bluebird."
I thought he said bluebird.
I'm scared.
Catch it, dude. Did you get it?
Did you get him? See you later, Heidi.
Dude, you got him. Okay, now what?
Alright, now I need.
Now you need an idea. Is my fish still there? Okay.
There's a real bird in
I
the
need
crib.
something flat to slide. Yeah, like rip off the top of that box.
Hello.
Release him. Release the dragon.
Okay. Slide down.
Yeah.
Don't let it out, dude.
I'm not.
You take it off like an inch.
400 South Animal Rescue.
It's going well. It's going well.
Alright, you better hold that shit still. Do not fuck this up, Serago.
Oh, he's hurt, dude.
Who cares? He can fly.
Oh, he's good.
It's a baby.
Big
If
bird.
another one comes in, what are the chances of that?
You're free.
Jake, you want to see your
I
friend,
knew
man?
you said bird, but I was upstairs. Alright, let it go. Go, fly! Dump it upside down so you fly.
release you.
Don't dump him.
Woo!
Hey!
Wow.
Hey!
Jake! Jake!
Hey!
Jake!
Jake! Jake!
Come
Get the
here.
fuck over here.